How you doing?
Good.
Come here, you got some chores to do. Come here for a sec.
What?
Just. Could you come help clean up the backyard, please?
Yeah, go pick up big toys. Go play. Go play.
Hi, Riker. Hey, little buddy. You got your buddy here?
Can you clean up the backyard? No, all the noise coming in. Is that awesome or what? Happy birthday, buddy. Oh, that's awesome. It couldn't have worked out better.